Welcome to First Call Air Conditioning and Heating, your source for reliable professional work and service. We specialize in providing customers with comprehensive heating and cooling solutions, and we have the knowledge and expertise to get the job done right. We strive to provide only the highest level of workmanship and friendly personal service to all of our clients, and we show up on time, give you upfront pricing, and get the job done. So for all of your indoor comfort needs, call the professionals at First Call Air Conditioning and Heating today.